Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I want to teach you how to draw a nose. Now, previous video we drew mouth, a smiling mouth, and somebody smiling with the teeth. So today I want to show you how to draw a nose. Now, most artists usually complain that drawing nose is kind of very tedious, but it's not. So we'll start by sketching the first O. Always remember that human beings are bilaterally symmetrical. That is, if you watch my previous video, I explained that too. So, if bilaterally symmetrical, that is, whatever you have in this part, you have it here also. So the nose too, you have, if this what you have here, you should have the equal part of it here also. So we are doing a central view of the nose. Maybe in our previous next video we'll do lateral view. So if we have equal size here of the nose, then we should have the equal part here too. It should not be higher than your other parts, and it should not be bigger. Remember, this is not how all the nose in the world looks like. Everybody in the world looks like, you know, we have different kind of people in the world, different races in the here in the part of the world. We the negroid, we have, you know, kind of flat nose compared to the Caucasian. They have pointed nose. So you just have to draw one, and this is. So this is a sketch of the nose. This is a sketch. So we want to do a shading now. Like I said before, you shade from where? From dark, right? The whole of the nose is usually dark. Am I right or wrong?
Yes, right.
Right. And under the nose, there is usually a shadow, a cast shadow from the nose. As you can see my own, although I don't know how the light reflection is, but there's always a cast shadow. So you just have to apply it here. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please just do so now, and thank you in advance. Also like my videos, you know, this is just a way to encourage me and to do more. And if you have a question, you can always ask on the comment section. I'll be there to answer. Personally, I'll be there to answer you guys. Now, after doing the darker part of it, let's shade. From this region, we want to build up this lower this part. We'll build it to this place, building it up, that is shading a mid-tone, a tone that is not as dark as the shadow. As you can see, a tone. Then from here to another tone. I hope you guys are following.
Yes, sir.
Then another tone. So here we'll create an highlight. So, the same thing we did there, we are going to do it here also. We build here up to You build here too. Then let's blend. Always blend with your right blending materials. Don't blend with finger. You can blend with your brush, your blending stump, and other blending material. Okay, now the side of the nose. We'll also build a layer too. Build a layer from this side, just a mid-tone, the way we did it. Now let's blend. So we'll create a lesser tone here. Do you notice what I did there? I created an highlight, just a little highlight here. So that's how nose usually looks like. So we are going to do the same thing here too, but here a little bit dark effects. Then you blend. So at the top here, we want to create an highlight. Without the highlight, the nose will look flat, and we don't want that. So we want our nose to, the drawing to look what? The nose to look raised. So we're having our highlights here at the top here. So here leads to the eye. You have your other the eyes here. You have the other eyes here, but we are focusing on the nose. If you want to know how to draw eye, I've posted a video on how to draw eye. You can actually go and check my page and see how we draw the eyes. So we'll do this the same thing what we did there. We'll also do it here too. So we'll create a little tone here too by the side of the nose. Then we build it up to mid-tone. Someone should get me a phone, please. Thank you. So this is how to draw a nose. Now, let's not forget the highlight effect, very essential. So I'll be using my charcoal, white charcoal, to create an highlight Usually we normally have highlight here so that the nose will not look flat. Then some people usually have another one here. You have small one here, depending on how the reflection strikes the body. Get me your razor, please. Where's the razor? Okay, I have one. And these are to draw a nose. So if you have any question, you can ask from the comment section and all. I'll be there to answer you personally. Thank you for staying tuned. My name remains Mr. Femi'art. Thank you guys. See you in my next video. Thank you.